Hello everyone, my name is Anshul Sharma, data scientist at Innovations Technology. Today we have come with a new case study for human intrusion for security surveillance. So you can see in the video a person is entering inside the office area and the command prompt is showing a message that someone entered, please check the gate. So we have fitted a camera on the gate, so that's why it's showing the office gate area. And now we have fitted another camera which you can see in the screen. So the security mode is on and camera is established where the person is trying to check the laptop and taking the mobile. So here the command prompt is showing the message that someone is inside and check it. So the same person is trying to check your wardrobe and albiras inside the office. So again it is showing that someone is inside and check the area. So we have fitted one more camera inside our office to capture the outside view of our building, in which people are going, and it's a safe outside view. So it's showing the normal outside view and safe. So we have one more office camera view here which is showing the office members, and it is tracking the office members sitting inside the office, and we can recognize the office members through image processing, and the command prompt is showing the message that the office members are there and the safe mode. Thank you very much for watching our video. For more inquiries, jump to the description box below.